Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of two of the most popular website building platforms right now, Shopify and Webflow. Shopify is widely known as one of the best e-commerce platforms in the world, while Webflow has built a reputation as a powerful visual website builder focused on design freedom and advanced customization. So the big question is, which platform is actually better for your business in 2026? Let's get started. Shopify is primarily an e-commerce platform built specifically for selling products online. It was designed to help businesses create online stores quickly without needing advanced coding skills. Over the years, Shopify has evolved into one of the largest e-commerce ecosystems in the world. Millions of businesses use it, from small startups all the way to major international brands. What makes Shopify so popular is how beginner-friendly it is. You can literally create a store, upload products, connect payment methods, and start selling within a few hours. The platform handles most of the technical work behind the scenes, including hosting, security, checkout systems, inventory management, mobile optimization, payment processing, and shipping integrations. And because Shopify focuses heavily on e-commerce, almost every feature is designed around helping you sell products more efficiently. Now let's talk about Webflow. Webflow is a visual website building platform that focuses heavily on design flexibility, creative control, and professional-grade customization. Unlike Shopify, which was built mainly for e-commerce, Webflow was originally created for designers and developers who wanted to build highly customized websites visually without writing tons of code. And honestly, that's where Webflow really stands out. Now let us talk about the main features of each. For Shopify, built-in e-commerce tools. This is Shopify's strongest area. You get product management, inventory tracking, discount codes, tax calculations, shipping integrations, abandoned cart recovery, multi-channel sales, and secure checkout systems. Everything is optimized for e-commerce from day one. Massive app store. Shopify has one of the biggest app ecosystems available. So whether you want email automation, AI product descriptions, subscription billing, print on demand, SEO optimization, influencer marketing, and dropshipping tools, there's usually an app for it. Next is Shopify Payments. Shopify includes its own payment system, which simplifies transactions and reduces setup complexity. It also supports PayPal, Stripe, third-party getaways, and local payment methods. Next is the multi-channel selling. Yes, you can sell products across Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Amazon, YouTube, even POS systems. This is extremely useful for modern e-commerce businesses. And next we have the themes and templates. Shopify offers professional themes that are optimized for mobile devices and conversations. Customization is available, although not as flexible as Webflow's design system. Now let's move over to Webflow. Advanced visual design. This is Webflow's biggest strength. You can create highly customized websites with precise layouts, complex animations, scroll effects, unique interactions, and advanced responsiveness. The creative freedom is honestly impressive. It also has a powerful CMS. The Webflow content management system is excellent for blogs, articles, portfolios, dynamic content, theme pages, directories, and marketing websites. Content management feels very structured and professional. Clean code output. Many designers and developers appreciate Webflow because it generates relatively clean HTML and CSS structures. These can help with performance, SEO, faster loading times, better site organization as well. We have the e-commerce customization. Webflow allows custom product pages with far more design flexibility than Shopify. This is great for brands that want visually unique shopping experiences. And next is the hosting and security. Webflow includes fast hosting, SSL certificates, CDN delivery, website backups, and security management. Everything is managed directly through the platform. Now, what is the pricing of both platforms like? For Shopify, there is a basic plan at $25 per month for solo entrepreneurs. There's a Grow plan at $65 per month. There's an Advanced plan at $360 per month and a Plus plan at $2,300 per month. Currently, there's an offer to try 3 days for free, and then you get to pay $1 per month for 3 months before you actually commit for the higher payments. And that's great. And there's also more. There's a starter plan for casual selling at $5 per month. It's a one-page online store, and that's also great. How about the pricing for Webflow? There's a starter plan which is free, a basic plan at $15 per month, a premium plan at $25 per month, and a Teams plan at $2,500 per month. Now, what are the pros and cons of using both platforms? We start with the pros. For Shopify, it's extremely beginner friendly, has excellent e-commerce tools, massive app ecosystem, reliable hosting and security, and great scalability. Also strong multi-channel selling support. And the pros of using Webflow: incredible design freedom, professional level customization, and a powerful CMS. How about the cons? For Shopify, the design flexibility can feel limited, and many advanced apps cost extra. And the cons of using Webflow: it has a steeper learning curve, and the e-commerce tools are less advanced than that of Shopify. It's also more time consuming for beginners. So now the big question is this: which one is actually better? Which platform is better? Well, the biggest difference really comes down to focus. So Shopify prioritizes selling, while Webflow prioritizes design. Now, can Webflow handle e-commerce? Absolutely. Can Shopify also create beautiful websites? Definitely. But each platform still leans heavily towards its core strength. And honestly, both are among the best platforms available in 2026 depending on your goals. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Wix, BigCommerce, and Squarespace. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.